Hi, I'm Dr. Mark Rohde, the Chief Clinical Officer at ShareTek. I have some new information about a powerful advancement in testing for drugs of abuse. Traditional urine drug screening is fraught with problems ranging from the validity and reliability of the test to attempts on the part of clients to evade detection. At ShareTek, we're proud to be on the cutting edge of innovation and are now able to provide a bulletproof drug testing solution. Our DNA drug test is incredibly accurate, can't be faked, tests for over 100 drugs, and respects the privacy of the person being tested. Our testing solution matches the DNA from a simple cheek swab to the DNA in each urine specimen to ensure that the urine in the test actually came from your client. Our testing will detect if adulterating substances have been added to the specimen that might compromise the integrity of the test. Our lab checks for synthetic urine, and all drugs that we test for have at least a 5-day window for detection. You'll know not just what drugs were used, but also the amount of each drug that was detected. From the client's perspective, it's easy. There's no need to go to a testing center and no embarrassing specimen collections. From the standpoint of your agency or department, it checks a lot of boxes. Think convenience. There's no staff time devoted to specimen collection. Our solution enhances your client's access to testing because they don't even have to leave their house to be tested. Our solution is so foolproof that sobriety becomes a far more attainable part of a client's wellness plan. There's no need to worry about security because all lab results are quickly reported to a HIPAA-compliant encrypted portal. Let me emphasize one point. Our DNA drug test can't be faked, and that is crucially important. If a client evades drug detection, they haven't just dodged accountability, they may miss a chance for recovery. Their health and their future is at risk. Anybody they may encounter on the roadway could be their victim. They are less apt to maintain employment. Their family's welfare could be on the line. And if the client is a part of the criminal justice system, recidivism and the probability of additional incarceration compounds the problem. ShareTek has a much better solution. And depending upon your setting, there may be opportunities for revenue enhancement. Well, that's it. Please give us a call and we'll help make drug testing convenient, secure, accurate, and cost-effective. Thanks for listening.